Ever feel like you're just a few points shy of that dream redemption? You've got a bunch of miles here, your partner has some miles over there, and if only you could combine them, that free flight would be yours. Well, if you're a Capital One cardholder, I've got some incredible news for you. Pooling your Capital One miles is not just possible, it's surprisingly easy. In fact, Capital One has one of the most generous points-sharing policies out there, allowing you to combine rewards from different accounts. There are two main ways to pool your miles. First, if you have multiple miles earning cards, you can combine all your rewards into a single account. For example, if you have a Venture card and a Spark Miles card, you can move all your miles to one place. This can be done directly online by logging into your account, navigating to the rewards section, and selecting Move Rewards. The second way is the real game changer. You can transfer your miles to anyone else who has a Capital One miles earning account. This is a massive perk that most other banks simply don't offer. There's no fee, no cap on the number of miles you can transfer, and the recipient doesn't even have to be a family member. It's perfect for couples planning a trip or friends looking to combine their points for a big redemption. For this type of transfer, you'll need to call the number on the back of your card. The process is quick and the transfer is instant. Keep in mind, while this is a fantastic feature, it's a one-way street. Once you transfer miles to another account, you can't get them back. So, make sure you're sending them to the right person. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.